Hey friends, it's your old pal Conductor Jack, and today we're reading a book about dinosaurs who need to use the potty. Even dinosaurs use it. So stick around because it's a great story, and after the story, we're going to sing a little song. So let's go on a reading potty adventure right now. Oh, I think you're going to like this a lot. It's a funny story, but it's a good story. Roar! I'm a dinosaur. Roar! I don't need to use the potty. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus making lemonade. Roar, roar, mix, squeeze, roar. Lemonade, roar. Look at him drinking all that lemonade. Dinosaur wins and doesn't need to use the potty. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus splashing in the sprinkler. Roar. Splash, splash, roar. Dinosaur wins and still doesn't need to use the potty. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus a 3 juice box lunch. Roar, roar, roar. Chomp, sip, roar. Dinosaur wins, and no, he doesn't need to use the potty. Roar, roar, roar. Dinosaur versus watering his pretend whale. Roar, roar, roar. Spray, roar, spray, roar. Dinosaur wins again. You'd think he'd need to use the potty, but he says he doesn't. Dinosaur versus roar, roar, roar. Splashing in rain puddles. Roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Roar, splash, jump, roar. Dinosaur wins and does a victory dance. Roar, roar, roar. Roar, roar. Wait a second. That's not a victory dance. That looks like a potty dance. Roar, 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 roar. Roar, roar, run, dinosaur, run. Roar, roar. Can he make it? Roar, roar, roar. Can he get to the potty in time? The potty wins. Close one, dinosaur. Real, real close. Oh, what a fun book. I love that. Hey, do you ever do the potty dance? Yeah, me too. Sometimes when you gotta go, you just gotta dance. Oh, hey, I want to thank you so much for reading with me. Again, my name is Conductor Jack. Every day of the week, we read fun stories on this channel, and we sing songs, and we have a good time. So if you want to be a really smart kid, hit the subscribe button. That way we can hang out again tomorrow. And in the meantime, when you gotta go, be sure to go. I'll see you again real soon. Bye.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O, with a bok bok here and a bok bok there, here bok there, bok everywhere, bok bok. Old MacDonald had a hen, E-I-E-I-O.
Subscribe now. It's free.